Host, welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we have an exciting case study to share with you. We'll be diving deep into the whole package project by IDEO, where they partnered with a leading food delivery company to revolutionize their packaging experience. So, let's get started. A renowned global design and innovation firm was approached by our client, a fast-growing food delivery company, seeking to enhance their packaging design. The existing packaging lacked innovation, sustainability, and failed to deliver an exceptional unboxing experience. Our goal was to create a holistic solution that not only improved functionality but also aligned with our client's sustainability goals and brand values. We wanted to transform the packaging experience into something memorable for their customers. To kickstart the project, IDEO began by conducting extensive research, engaging with key stakeholders, and immersing themselves in the client's business ecosystem. They conducted interviews with customers, delivery drivers, and internal teams to understand their pain points, expectations, and opportunities. IDEO then organized co-creation workshops, bringing together cross-functional teams from the client's organization. These workshops encouraged collaboration and generated diverse ideas, ensuring a holistic understanding of the challenges and fostering a culture of creativity and innovation. The heart of IDEO's approach was a user-centered design process. They wanted to create packaging that catered to the needs and desires of their customers. So, they conducted user research to uncover pain points, preferences, and expectations related to food delivery packaging. This valuable insight guided the design process. Throughout the project, IDEO employed a rapid prototyping approach, allowing them to quickly test and iterate on different concepts. By gathering real-time feedback from users and stakeholders, IDEO continuously improved and refined the packaging design. They explored various materials, structural designs, and graphic elements to create an optimal unboxing experience. IDEO's design solution prioritized sustainability by exploring environmentally friendly materials and packaging configurations. They proposed a shift towards biodegradable and compostable materials, reducing the environmental impact of the client's packaging. This aligned the brand with sustainable practices, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. IDEO's design solution transformed the unboxing experience. The packaging design incorporated intuitive opening mechanisms, aesthetically pleasing graphics, and personalized touches, delighting users and creating a positive brand association. This enhanced user experience resulted in increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. The revamped packaging design helped our clients stand out in a crowded market. IDEO leveraged the brand's identity and values to create packaging that was instantly recognizable and reflective of their unique offering. The visually appealing and functionally superior packaging became a distinguishing factor, contributing to our clients' competitive advantage and market positioning. The revamped packaging design helped our clients stand out in a crowded market. IDEO leveraged the brand's identity and values to create packaging that was instantly recognizable and reflective of their unique offering. The visually appealing and functionally superior packaging became a distinguishing factor, contributing to our clients' competitive advantage and market positioning. Lastly, let's talk about the positive reception from stakeholders. Customers appreciated the attention to detail and sustainability initiatives, while delivery drivers found the packaging more efficient to handle. Additionally, the client's employees were proud to be associated with a brand that prioritized innovation and customer satisfaction. And that wraps up our case study on the whole package by IDEO. Their human-centered design approach, extensive research, and collaborative efforts resulted in a packaging transformation that not only improved functionality but also aligned with sustainability goals and enhanced the overall user experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting case studies and design insights. And as always, stay creative.